2024 Hyundai Kona powertrains come into focus. They are mostly carryover and the hybrid seems to be shared with Nairo. The 2024 Hyundai Kona is significantly different from its predecessor, with its expanded side and Lonic-inspired interior. But it seems to be pretty much the same under the hood. Hyundai revealed powertrain details specifically for the Korean market Kona and likely for the US market version, and all the internal combustion engines are the same as what we have seen in the US model. The base engine remains the naturally aspirated 2.0-liter four-cylinder making 147 horsepower and 132 pound-feet of torque. It continues to use the CVT to send power to the wheels. Available as an upgrade is a turbocharged 1.6-liter four-cylinder making 195 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque. Hyundai didn't specify a transmission, but it will almost certainly be the familiar 7-speed dual clutch. While the Kona Hybrid is a new addition, the powertrain doesn't seem to be. It's a naturally aspirated 1.6-liter four-cylinder paired with an electric motor and a 6-speed automatic with 139 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque. It's pretty clearly the same unit from the Hyundai Elantra Hybrid and the Kia Niro Hybrid. One Kona variant is still lacking details, and that is the Kona Electric. Hyundai said it will have more information on that in March. Odds are it will continue to use the same 201 horsepower front-mounted electric motor as the current model, which is also in the Kia Niro. It could get a bit more battery capacity like the Niro 2. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to achieve 1000 subscribers. Thank you for watching again. See you next time. Goodbye.